Theory behind blood clotting. Blood having different clotting factors which help in blood coagulation in the series of controlled reactions that leads to the thrombin and fibrin formation. Cell fragments called platelets or thrombocytes make up to 2% of blood. When skin tissue is punctured, blood vessels tear and platelets at the site adhere to the wall of the vessel to close the tear. Platelets also release chemicals that activate the coagulation system to promote blood clotting. Blood proteins known as clotting factors form fibrin threads. Millions of platelets together with the fibrin form a platelet plug. If the tear is small enough, the plug can stop blood loss completely. Practical session of clotting time. Clotting time is the time taken from the puncture of the blood vessels to the formation of a fibrin thread. The normal clotting time is 3 to 10 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. The two methods commonly used for determination of clotting time are capillary glass tube method and Lee and White method. Capillary glass tube method. Capillary glass tube method is a convenient and commonly used method in practice. The tip of the finger is cleaned thoroughly with the spirit and allowed to dry. Make a puncture deep enough to ensure free flow of blood. Start the stopwatch and the time of the puncture of the finger is referred to as zero time. When a large drop of blood is collected into the end of the capillary tube by holding tube such that its other end will be at the lower level. Blood flows rapidly into the capillary tube. Hold the capillary tube filled with blood in the palm of the hand so as to maintain heat at an body temperature. At the end of 1 minute, break off 1 centimeter of tube from one end and notice the thread of fibrin connected with broken end of the tube. If there is no fibrin thread, repeat the procedure every 30 seconds till the fibrin thread appears. The appearance of fibrin thread about 5 mm in length indicates the blood has clotted. The total time taken from the time of puncture till the formation of the fibrin thread is clotting time. Lee-White method. In this method, about 3 ml of blood is collected from vein puncture through syringe and drop in 2 test tubes and keep in water bath of 37 degrees temperature maintained. At every 30 seconds, tilt the test tube and check for clot. Time taken to clot the blood in the test tube is first tube 5 minutes 20 seconds. The second tube is 5 minutes 35 seconds. Difference between two methods. Capillary glass tube method, Lee-White method. Finger is pricked when puncture is done. Capillary tubes are used, test tubes are used. 0.5 ml of blood approximately is taken, 3 ml of blood taken. Small bits of tubes is broken for every 30 seconds till fibrin thread appears. Test tube is tilted at every 30 seconds and checked for solidification of blood. 3 to 7 minutes of clotting time. 4 to 11 minutes of clotting time. The clotting time is shortened by various factors, which such as warm intersurface agitations and tissue factors. Clotting time is prolonged under various conditions, such as absence of clotting factor, decrease in temperature, dilution of the blood, etc.